So when it comes to building an e-commerce business and running it, most people, they complain that they struggle when it comes to marketing. They really, really struggle with the marketing. So if you're to go around and look, there's so many people will be like, oh, I struggle with marketing, I struggle with marketing, I struggle with marketing, I struggle with marketing. Then when you ask them, what do you struggle about with marketing? They have all these random ideas that they have. And the main point I've seen why people most struggle with marketing is they don't really know what marketing is. They do not know what marketing is, especially when you're just starting off. You haven't really sat down and think what exactly is marketing. You just hear this word being thrown around and you'll be like, yeah, I think that's what's wrong with my business. That's why I'm not growing. It's because I don't know how to market. But you can only know how to market if you know what marketing is. So in this simple video, I'm going to be talking about what marketing is when it comes to growing your e-commerce business, when it comes to growing your online business. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Rudo, and here I share tips and tricks on how to build, market, and scale your online business. So marketing is all about building interest for your products and services. And marketing helps to drive traffic to your website and get people to buy. So when you're doing marketing, you're building that desire for your products and services. So you want people to know about your products and you want them to buy your products by desiring them, right? So, and then buying those products at the end. So marketing is all those activities that you do to get people to know about your business, to get them to desire about your business and get them to buy your products at the end. But for marketing to work, your branding has to be on point. It has to be on point. Because without good branding, your market is not going to be effective. So I've done a video before on what branding is all about that you can check out and then learn more about branding and see what you're doing, what is missing in your business and what you can improve so that when it comes to your marketing, your efforts are going to be fruitful and get you the sales that you want at the end. So simply put, marketing is all those activities that you get to do to drive traffic, to get someone desiring about your products and buying your products at the end. So now that you know this, what kind of activities can you do to improve your marketing? Are you doing those activities right now? What can you do? What can you improve so that you can start getting the results that you want in your business? I've done a video before on how to plan your marketing that you can check here and watch it and learn more on how you can plan your marketing and get the success that you want and grow your business. So I hope this has been useful. Please let me know if you have any questions down below. I'm here to help you. So for now, stay strong, stay positive, continue building the business that you love, and I'll see you next time, guys. Take care. Bye.